Muzzles birds in sensible herds. Gather on the power lines, muttering curses, reading signs. Judgment shining in their eyes, sharpening beaks like little black knives. Possessed birds. Possessed birds. They weren't raised right, haven't you heard? They steal your fries, they steal your hats. They're planning things much worse than that. You think they're cute, that's just the ploy. They don't just flap, they enjoy. Seagulls plotting gasoline fires, pigeons tapping secret wires. They quote Hitchcock late at night. Phase 1 done, continue the fight. They've mapped the roads, they've learned the streets. Goose steps softly on web feet. They hijacked cars, took hostages too. Demanded crack corn and a windbreaker suit. Possessed birds. Possessed birds. Possessed by something deeply absurd. They hold small trials in safety vests, build tiny kingdoms inside the nests. They don't just poop, they deploy. They don't just flap, they enjoy. They smoke seaweed behind the pier, planning the end year after year. They peck the sky till clouds complain, then bill the sun for emotional pain. That sideways head tilt tactical move, they're already 10 steps ahead of you. Possessed birds. Possessed birds. Possessed birds in sensible herds. So if you look up and the power lines are bare, don't turn around, they're already